Poloniex module. Now let me teach you how to register, validate our documents, and also enable our two-factor authentication. So let me show you up close this tool where we'll show you how to calculate your Bitcoin or altcoin profits. Let's check it out on our computer screen. Let's register ourselves, Poloniex, and then validate our documents and data. So let's go at poloniex.com. So now, instead of log in to an existing account, we're going to create a new account. So if you're not familiarized with other languages, or in this case English, you can use the Google and you can translate the website. Okay. So now, if you're not if you're not fluent in English, okay, you can change it to other languages. In this case, you can log in, create an account. Even if you're not logged in, you can still visualize the data. You can see the exchange, you can see prices, you can see the chart, even though you're not logged in, okay? So let's go back to the registration area. So create an account. I'm clicking here. This is a very important warning. So it's giving you a warning. Lots of other exchanges have blocked the registrations, okay, because they were having more than 100,000 users a day. But what the thing is, because there are many new users registering every day, so it's taking a long time to validate the documents. So they're saying that it might take many weeks to validate, okay? So first we're going to register, and then we're going to validate our account, completing our profile, okay? So let's select the country. So I'm going to Brazil, which is where I am. So I'm going to use this email here. Course 8trader@gmail.com. I'm going to put a password. I'm going to put our password. I'm going to click on CAPTCHA. It wants us to click on streets. I'm going to click on streets here. Verify. So now I'm going to register. So my email already exists. So I'm just going to put a new email here. I'm going to put number 2 just to go to the image that I want to. Agree with the terms. So it's very important that you read the terms of the contract of Poloniex, okay? Because among many of these explanations, there is one of the most important ones. You cannot, or you shouldn't, you can't trade actually until your documents have been validated, okay? Because if you sometimes you send bitcoins before your account has been validated, and they will be blocked until your documents have been validated. So if you have 100,000 new people a day, it might take more than a month. So your Bitcoin is going to be stuck. You won't be able to trade. You won't be able to sell. You won't be able to withdraw. Okay. So don't make deposits until your account has been validated. So let's go to the registry. So it's going to say that it has sent a confirmation email to our email. So it's going to send an email to confirm our account. Let's open Gmail. Here's our confirmation email from Poloniex. You're going to click to validate. Okay, it's going to show that it's been validated. Oops, this is an invalid confirmation because my address had already been validated, okay? So I'm going to sign in now. So there is a 5-second wait. So I'm going to put my email here and the password, okay? And then I'll sign in. you will see that instantly it will show you the two-factor authentication. So we have to enable this option. This is not a subject for right now. So look at this, it's unverified our profile. So look at our withdrawal limit, it's 0. So if we put money inside of this, you cannot trade, you cannot withdraw until you've been validated. Okay, so let's fill in all the profile verification. So I'm gonna put my name, a trader, specialista, like specialist, and cryptocurrency, let's say. Our street address, A Street, city, Sarah, our zip code. I'm gonna put 29 1600 00, and a phone number. Okay, so area code 27 9878 000000, and then I will accept the terms and begin verification. Okay, so all this information that I inserted here, they will be validated. So when I click and begin, it's going to ask us for a phone bill or an electricity bill, and will also ask us for some kind of proof of ID. So your ID or your passport or your driver's license. Okay, well, let's begin the verification. In the old days, Poloniex, you could do the upload of the files. Okay, you could take your phone, take a picture of your driver's license or your passport, and you could send it to them. Okay, but now you need to do with a webcam. So start. Here you're going to select where you're from, Brazil. Here in Brazil, you're going to choose what you want to send. If it's your driver's license, your identity card, or your passport, okay? If you need to translate it, just click and translate. So it's not translating this front page here, it's just translated the one in the background, okay? But that's okay. So you can click here what I want to use as validation. So I'm gonna ask it to validate with my driver's license. So it's asking you, would you like to use your webcam? And I will allow it, okay? A lot of people don't have cameras in their computer. So you can also register, you can do your registration over the phone, over your mobile phone, okay? Using it. So here you can see that it's a bit dark. I think it's gonna work, let's see. It wants me to take a picture of a driver's license. So I'm just gonna show you with an older image, okay? Obviously it's not gonna validate. So I'm gonna put a document that's readable. Now it's readable. And you're gonna click on take image. Once you finished it, you can continue, okay? If the image is readable, move to the next step. Now the back part of the document, the front part of the document, and then the other end. So if it's readable, you take the next one and you click on continue again. Now you're going to take a picture of your face, okay? Take an image of your face. You go, if you have your phone, it's going to look much better. Where I am is kind of dark because this is actually my intention. So I'm going to take a picture. If you don't like the image, or if it's not something you can actually visualize, you can take another picture and confirm. So it's processing. I was checking image quality for ID verification. Let's see. It might take a few minutes. Let's wait. Submission received. Okay, successfully sent. So you can verify the status of your verification on your profile page. So, okay, they've received it. I will click on OK. And now I'm already logged in. And I'm waiting for my validation. Now let's click and check here. So if you wanna see the validation, if it's been approved or if it has passed, like we just did, like we sent documents that are not valid, okay, or if the picture is not visible. So I'm gonna click here, my profile, okay, just put your mouse over here, just hover above, and you'll see not verified, okay? It's saying not verified. So if you have an error message and you need to send new files, just click here. If it's validated, you're ready to trade. And you can trade 25,000 daily after you've been approved, okay? So next we're going to the security, the authentication, okay? See you soon. Bye-bye.